What's up, guys? It's Jay from PC Motorsports. We're just headed to the engine shop right now. I don't know exactly what we're going to be able to show you there, but want to keep you updated and take you along for the ride. But if we can't show you too much there, then after that we're probably gonna, Corey's phone's making noise, then we're probably gonna start putting together the GSI front end, and we'll show you that too. But want to bring you along and, you know, let you guys know what we're doing. This is the engine shop, Klein Engines. They do race engines and stuff. Come on in. Thank you. Got engine sitting, LS. Well, what's that? Small block Chevy.
Yeah.
Cool little shop, but we'll keep you updated. Let you know what else we can show you. What we're gonna end up doing to our engine. See you in a minute. All right, so we just came out the engine shop. Music. We just came out the engine shop, and it sounds like we're gonna drop off the 5.3 sometime this week and get started with that. And you know, we'll have, what's his name?
Forgot his name.
Robert. We'll have Robert kind of explain to you guys what we're gonna do to the engine, but as of right now, we're headed back to the house and we'll keep you updated. We're back at the house. Corey said he's gonna change his clothes. Can't be too pretty out in the garage. But we're pulling out the GSI stuff right now.
Look at the bathroom when you're up there.
Keep you updated. Corey's putting in the new GSI front. Yeah. And start putting that together. And I'll put it on record and show you. And then you can just watch, probably put music over it or something, but want to show you guys the little details.
I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. I've been scoring, cheap thrills, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. Back in the cut like a scratch, never acting, I never been. Shut up my words while you're holding your breath like an asthma attacking him. Why are you testing me? Can't be investing no time in this. Team so focused, we are ballin' the butter rim. I used to pull forward, addicted, that had my stomach all in a twist. I had to dish the cup, yeah, now I got those water bottles in. I had some real dark days, now things are looking real positive. Ones who I peel part ways, I don't need no parts of friends. I guess that's how the game goes. Lifestyle getting real. Lifestyle is a handful. I'm a one, only one dog. That's a fact, that's a case closed. Do roll, then I lay low. Wake up and do it every day. Nah. Come around like rah. Talking all that blah, 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 blah. I've been scoring, cheap deals, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. I've been scoring, cheap deals, bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. You talk that talk, but you never do. That's waste. You can fool your fam, you can fool the gram, never fooling me. That's fake. I don't trick tricks, all money in for the legacy. I am great. Heard you got the drip, that's temporary. Where's your assets? Oh wait, that's real talk. Full plate, that meal talk. I've been building for the past 5, breaking ground, that's drill talk. Let's wait. Real loss. Heard you talking all the pill talk. Wanna be like your favorite rapper, but your favorite rapper feeling real off. Made 3-piece, that's back to back like Drizzy now. We the champs, going back to back like Mike and them. They sleeping on me like Vicodin. No weakness when I work, got power strength. Nah. Come around like rah. Talking all that blah, 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 blah. I've been scoring, cheap deals, bore me, blah, blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring, I've been scoring, caution, warning. I've been
wrapping up for the night.
Didn't get nothing done today.
Corey didn't get nothing done today. He was just hanging out, having a good time. 3 holes drilled. But anyway, we took you to the motor shop and stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, follow Hotshot Customs and PC_Motorsports on the social medias, and keep up with the build. Out.